isano na ibere eyemo iriyo tugwikere Gusii ututaharire asichira bisi chito ichukira sinyumba ya Brighton apartment ijiri busyo bwikiro ya embassy ekeroko gende nyakoe.
Nagosogere mwancho mulire begeta seni Ndizi TV charagire Chinsa Isato chiabono butuka sentunde netokomera na sembeo sekerenga yoko manyinganya leko bagagwataga kuru bagakete goikira chinga kibuna echo tokubatanira gwetera somo numanyiririo nigakoro kwa Joshua utelitera negoro kwa Josephat Amisi katoya nyore asenchire yoko ya chutia.
Nairana area county ya Kisii county mbiamono asokolete function ya Mashujaa Day asegeti gaitiro eyere bonchari sub county naende ngotebia bagani karibu kuruchi ngongo inye Chinsa baiche toshereke na Mashujaa Day aseli tukolia mampi
amarigani yogo chengera litukolia Mashujaa Day county ya Kisii goikera na senchira boikeranu egetigia iterio e constituency ya bonchari.
National Police Service we conducted a sting operation within Kisii town, whereby we have been receiving numerous complaints from members of public that their phones, their gadgets, laptops have been stolen.
Abakagirwa 14 kubekwa byara kubwatikana no gutokana ebintu byo bibigati yabo Kisimi amone chi laptop imeyamo cyo bosongo.
Today, 4 crucial bills for the implementation of universal health care have become law.
Umurai bwense Dr. William Ruto go saini chibiri nyako bali chiko elio gosira obokorali bo bachano. Petra mukira nero kwene kiabu na chibi chamune lio gichago chire asenchire obikirano marogo baya bona Amayia yechiza Isato igagocha kurwase county ya Kisii ase abakagura 14 babekirwe biara azo kagura koba obwe abaibi begisimi chi laptop nagatiye binto binde imemo chebosongo kolengana no mukomanda gosomotereni banyanyimbo ime county ya Kisii Charles Kasesi nigo atebire banyatako bakora obunyabi obotindi obotuko igoro kolengana kerokende magega yagati yabamenye imeyo mu cyobosongo banyatako bakomirunganenga banyaleko bakweberwa anene chi laptop ne chisimi asobwango iga nonye naboni go muri kyoito Steven Ndemanyaleko bawikirana sense miliyoni gotwaliga roboti irokobwatia
obotuko bwa igoro Chinsa ibere chamara gobanigo operation entini yaliganeti gugwetero mo county commander o Kisii Charles Kasesi ase chituka ime bosongo ase binte binke bikagere ko babyo bwo bibya bwatetu gati abo chisimi chi laptop chi tablet gati ebinde.
The National Police Service we conducted a sting operation within Kisii town, whereby we have been receiving numerous complaints from members of public that their phones, their gadgets, laptops have been stolen. So in the process of our operation within a business, business premises in the town, we managed to recover some electronic gadgets, to which 351 mobile phones, assorted mobile phones, 20 laptops, 13 assorted tablets, 21 assorted hard drives, and we also managed to arrest 14 suspects who we believe that they are connected with this offense.
Ase operation yejuo niga bakagerwa 14 babekire biara senseme abanyanyimbo baganiri baikigubo sibweke gambero elio gokonya asobo tukibwa ime.
The suspects are in custody to be charged with offenses of computer misuse and cyber crimes of 2018 and also stealing. So this morning we are moving to court to seek miscellaneous applications so that we can hold them, we finish our investigation, and probably we can arraign them before court on Monday. So now we are calling upon members of public to come forward and identify these phones and these electronic gadgets so that they can assist us also in recording statements and become our witnesses.
Kwa majina naitwa Caleb Onyango. Niliweza kupoteza simu yangu mwezi wa Julai, lakini nilipoti mata kwa police station na nimeshukuru sana, wamenisaidia, wameendeleza kutafuta simu, wamenisaidia sana, nimeshukuru. Nimepata simu yangu kwa siku ya leo, nimebeba nene ya Samsung, nimewashukuru, wamesaidia sana. Haya, simu yangu nako ilibiwa ndani ya nyumba na watu wasio wajua, pande wa Jogo Kisii. Ni tu venye ilikuwa hivi, sijaifungua ndani, lakini nimepata, ndio hii simu yangu nimebeba mkononi.
Korengana na Charles Kasses nigabanya nyimbo bayigenete buna abakagerwa asobo ibyo bo nigo bamanyaine na kubwatira na saine kiri bali babekire biara mbanyare go kwanya asobo tukigoikera babata mete na bali abatamanyekaini.
Tulipata kufanya operation kwa duka moja, lakini bado operation inaendelea, sababu tunaamini ya kwamba ni biashara ambayo imekita misisi, lakini nzuri ni kwamba tumefaulu kunaza hawa wenye walihusika kwa hiyo kitendo. This is what has been happening, and we believe this one it's a breakthrough and we are able to get more of the suspects.
Kwa ripoteria Ndizi TV kwa nsemo ya DCI imea Bosongo edietariane Ndemo Steven.
Ndiemo Ndemo Steven ya soro botioro asenchire bokiranto kurime county ya Kisii toikeme county ya Nyamira buna enchira ya meko eneke buna sector cheno nyaleko bage gusiro litkulia lero nigo mugavana bwe county eyo Amos Nyalibo anyara ko bakora umuyiga aboko ena na chikiti gose ebinto biribira anyara ko bigokonya abakoreri bo kwerwa gose community health promoters ribaga banyara ko bagwikera amagani y'abamenyi be county eyo no muyigo nyara ko bagokoreta amo ababwatani kurwa sector bochenu nabo igo abari bakisiasa kurwe county Nyamira abanyara ko bagwikera na sensemo eyo job mangi amana ya mange mono.
Nigo siasa chintindi chene kiwa ime county Nyamira ase abarayi basaba kwa umugabana bwe county Nyamira chinga kichinyororo
omorembe tukanitie naye tugiye togotseba ondita yobono kurwani mu speaker ito no ondita yo kurwani mu governor tutahita batakorere tigas boss omanyete ekerese yekoba mwana iti anafanya nini anaumia
to bateria abantu abaminto iga ere simple okongo bakire bari nyamenu ebere na arama ukiro kurama tiga batige gotorama tufanyie wananchi wa Nyamira kazi.
Omugabana bwe county Nyamira nigamo chia omoseneta bwe county eyu okongo omugeni negati abarayibande azi okogane guturubania serikali yaye na kubasaba kubwatirana nere
ngiye korero okongo nyamenu ebere eseneta ochorire obe okongo nyamenu ebere togotemira borongo koregasi yawe no assembly waisaranza no ento Isaia kwanga iti abantu ba assembly seneta koregasi yao tigakona go choini abantu bakomburuga nake tigakoregasi yana
egati abarayibakirana asensemeyo mubunge West Mugrango Steven Mogaka omokonyu mu county commissioner Florence Obunga omurayibu abange asibunge county Nyamira Abel Mose naba MCA bande aubarwa irago chekosira umugabana elinde kwene kyabunango ikiraniale amagenderero.
I want to assure you of our total support. Vile ulikuwa umesema ya kwamba hakuna mtu atakuguza na kule kwa assembly yetu we supported you and we shall support you so that we make sure that you deliver your manifesto.
I want to assure you, my governor, that with the elected leaders of parliament we will support you and work with you
anika kwanwa ase umuyaga bwo kwa bakoli emeremo elibwaye mu kimya inyene merongo ene ubago segeta obochenu ebinto byo gutumeka nabo igo gutakibwa kwemoroberyo wokoneke buna obokoleri bwobochenu ngoikera bole abamenyi be county Nyamira ase oboikiranu ase umona bwe Kenya mulero universal health coverage.
Need everyone to access standard health service. To make this a reality, we must empower our communities to identify their health priorities and actively participate in finding responsive solutions. Furthermore, we have ensured that they are covered by NHIF for their health insurance.
Ensemo y'omubungo West Mugrango Stephen Mugaka narwa eira gochigosira emiswada yogokonya abakoli emeremo bagosegeta obochenu ase county Nyamira elinde bachikonyora engere yabo
ekeroli chiko yaino yarete tuase bunge tukaliakira chikura unopposed etogaba ine national government barwe chiri bubere somoni ne county government yeru chiri bubere somoni igobono iga koitera asubu ya bwa Nyasaye promoters utakonyora muri allowance yechisingi chiri busano asugwansira.
And this will go a long way in reducing the cost of treatment in our hospitals.
Ginko reporteria Ndizi TV kurwase county Nyamira Job Maangi.
Biamono Job Mangase oroboti urwasenjire wikirani kurwase county ya Nyamira toikeme county ya Kisii ase kiombelia kia Gusii mental health awareness egenyara kobe kora etaro yaje ya bene wikira ase eskuru ya Kisii special yebwate abana babwate namaganyo ao nigo oboigo etariyo yanyara kobe kubwatrana amona babwatani akurwase sector yobochenu abanyara koba wikira na oro ase kirenga gyo koena na oboseme guchia sabanabu echinga kibagendeta koba bakomenya amono kugania boigo ekiombekyo niyo kenyara koba ekoena na obokonyi bebinto hati yabo chindagiro musakyo ito dipo na sanya noroboti urwasenchire obime
ekiombe gia GMA Gusii mental health awareness bakubwatira n'abanyagitari bahema oasi specialist account ya Kisii amona babwatani bande nigo batarira Kisii special school eliogosanga n'abarokia mona abarokiwa chinchera ichio kwegendereria.
Siku ya leo GMA imeweza kutuleta pamoja kama wakazi wa Kisii County ili tuweze kuhamasishana juu ya mental health, yani akili za kimawazo na ubongo.
Alira abana n'abalimu n'abafanyikazi b'esukuru erinde ko basemya nako baomoyo nga kero to kwanira igoro yo ya afya yake bongo ebine bintu bya kawaida birongo korekana bire lakini kero muntu arwalire nabakonyora obokonyi asinya gitari cheito nase chini institution cheito chitwetana ine kusiga
obulemeru asobongo negento kia botambe kyobono kero mwibuli aboliwe kuligereria na korokyo wanchani gochia ase bali babwato muchando ywe.
Magonjwa haya ni ya kawaida, wazazi wanaweza kuelimishwa na waambiwe watoto watakuja shuleni na wafunzwe njia tofauti tofauti.
Asangire nabo erinde bamanyenga ase society yeito osase Gusii yeito ntobajaleti naende ntobainyorete erinde mbago chibairanana
boigo nigo bagwenerete gusangana barobwe aso obwamo elio banyare ko basegeta asobogima.
Ni ombi langu kuwa mzazi yote ambaye ako pale nje na akona mtoto ambayo akona shida yote ya kiulemavu, kuna wale wanaitwa autistic, kuna wale wako na cerebral palsy, kuna wale wako na mental disorders zile kwa Waswahili wanaita wenda wazimu, hawajielewi. Hawa wote ni watu, ni binadamu, tunawaona kama binadamu.
Chinga ki echechio nigo banyara kwerera anene kerenga ekikego segeta ogotwara muchando ubwobongo.
Bana bange bagocha bakonyora ubongo bakubanyoko abange bawo bakonyora atibasi kero bakonyora ngire kera biri mulito biyoche nekitari mapema oso ocha clinic mapema echunguzo ase clinic kwa ubara mawaidanga ngakibakore ndobulito boria kero mwana ochikona uyo kero bulito buri utare ndiribuya oje kwanyora ko mwana ago delay koigurwa kada di koigurwa mutorare problem ko nga asphyxia
ugutantirana kwa baibuli gutwara abana bali no barema noro muchando monene tubwate ase binyoro ikyo bono abaibuli babwenete gonchoreria.
Changamoto kubwa ni kwamba wazazi hawajakubali watoto wao. Wako katika ile kitu tunasema denial stage. Denial stage ni kwamba hawajakubali kwamba watoto ni walemavu. Wakiondolewa hilo jambo tu, mambo mengine yatakuwa sawa sawa.
Wazazi wanatoroka, wakiwaletea watoto hapa wanatoroka. Lakini tumejua kwanza, wengine wanasema wanatoroka kwa sababu ya ile uzito wako nayo. Uzito wa kuwalisha nyumbani, kuwavisha na hata kwa kushughulikia.
Anaona afadhali alipie mtoto mwingine fees. Akisema huyu atamaliza aende university, aende mbali ng'ambo, awe mwalimu, awe daktari. Huyu ambaye ni mlemavu anaona hawezi enda mahali. But Mungu amewapa kipawa fulani ambao huwezi kufanya wewe kama mtu wa kawaida. Kwa hivyo wote ni watoto wetu na Mungu amewapatia vipawa mbalimbali. Ukiangalia katika wall yetu utaona vikombe, watoto wetu wameenda mpaka national athletics and ball games.
Yinkolipotelia Ndizi TV korwa Kisii Special School egutoke meje county ya Kisii elietalia nendipon asanya
Biamono dipo na asanya soroboti urase nchire yobo ikiranto tegalete me county ya Kisii chinga ki ensa ya Kenya gendete kobe kuyaligania aseli tukolia banyangongo semashu jade iri anyara kobali okolekana li tukolia ngyo anene enseni kimaligana anyara kobali ochengera li tukelio ime county ya Kericho me county ya Kisii boigo amaligania yoniga anyara kobali ikirana senchire yobo ikirano asomo yego yo uranyara kobali okolekana bene ime skuru gose megetige itirike kutoka ime bunge ya Bonchari nonya naboni gomo yego yo urachikoba gukora wamo no mugavana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati naboigo omo county commissioner we county ya Kisii Tomanjere omosaki oito mangana maya Steve niganyara koba wikirana asensemo iyo ya iteli naboigo gotwa roboti rwa senjiro wikirano chinchira e county nyare koba kuyaligania.
Rituko liankyo ensenge manebeke gochengera rituko lya banyankongo lya Mashujaa Day asomo yego maneno rara uno morai bwense William Samoei Ruto ensemo ya Kericho Green Stadium asekereka kyo mwako yokirarenga mangana yobo bwenia Universal Healthcare UHC. Bunachi county chinde omoyego Mashujaa imeakisi nigora aligani wa segeti ya itierio ime bunge ya Bonchari. Asege kege tambe kia rero niga watani abanene bense me abanyanyimbo batwaro kwealigania kwabo gwentunda yo mwerio. Chikwaya au na chirocho nchitigiri maega.
Hana pesa ya chakula.
Asama leta nkorko jare dumanyanga serembe. Na irana iria county ito ya Kisii county mbiamono asokolete function ya Mashujaa Day asegeti gaitierio. Eyere Bonchari sub county. Naende ngotebia bagani karibu kuruchi ngongo inye chiense baiche to shereke na Mashujaa Day aseli tukolia mambi.
Nandi twarorire bia se bintu kia berege korekana sa getanya korekana se miake menge wetera somo gavana ito Simbarati amwetu na system ndedia gecha se bomorenda gose Kisii county ase suneka itieri gase tole twarorire bia mono na kuigubia asegente gedia chire ko base bituko nirabe bituko lya mambi chuma eyere Mashujaa Day ndio kumanisa hata sisi buna into Kisii county na into na Mashujaa koruga na twatebire onde bwensi twabaire karibu ntuteta abageni kuruisika wao n'abantu ba minto na twarekania omugabana oito Simbarat aiwunka na karibu sana.
Abamenyi nigo bagokera omega kwariganirwa itierio kibagoteba negeti kieng'encho ase omogano bwenko yo Kisii na Kenya.
Omugabana kagocha ase egetie eke giaito gia ichero na mono mono arigereria egetie eke gia ichero naki kiarosirie abachesaji abange abashabana n'abakabere shabana abakoro mpaka abange bachiesera Harambee Star. Muna bona inyore babo motego bachiesete korwa egetie eke gia ichero babo Mike Okot, Richard Otambo, Enel Nyandro na buchi suja cheito ase mambi arigereria ng'aki abantu abo bakobana nabo barwete egetie eke erinde egetie eke kerosi kebe stadium engiya ekonye abana baito ne chitalent cheito chia Gusii.
Omoyega bwankio nigo oraboyo kabere kwariganirwa ase serikali ya kabere ye county ya Kisii yekorau n'omugabana Paul Simbarati. Koripoteria Ndizi TV korwa nsemo ya Itierio, Bomorenda Ward, Bonchari constituency ya county ya Kisii, Retariane, Ndemo Steven.
Biamono Ndemo Steven ya soroboti urua senjere bukirano kwa niaba ya Taseni Ndizi TV bagotanga mapema mbia twabaganirie happy Mashujaa Day litkuliangie kera mugene tukaba mukuyarigania enchira mukonyara koba mukori chengera kurwa se county ya Kisii gwikaime county ya Nyamira anene ase bunge ya West Mugirango buna enchira ya mwakweneke boigo chisemi chenyere koba chigosirwa se bunge eyobono nigo abisi yomochumbe bwa constituency ya West Mugirango Stephen Mugaka ekobatarana amone bengi ya Equity banyara koba bakweneke banyare koba gosira chiskuru erinde chinyare koba chikwenyorera ebirogo gose chidesk na boigo chitangi okwana korwa ase skuru ya Bondo na boigo Kimasare nigo Steve Mugaka boiganyare koba kweneke buna ogosiro kunyara koba kogendera gochia ase skuru chinde chinyinge ime constituency eyo ya West Mugirango.
Ogoseni chisukuru chinde Kenya ngima monene onyore sukuru yaito ya Bundo Nyasaye.
Wale wanaenda kufanya mtihani, Mungu awasaidie muweze kupita. And you will give us the very best in your...
We've spent about 300,000, but again, we have these similar events running all across the country, and you'll be able to know the size of the investment by just looking at the number of institutions that will be touched all across the country.
Tunajua kuna ushirikiano mingi tunaingia kwa jamii, bado tutaendelea kushirikiana na constituency kuhakikisha kwamba maendeleo inaendelea katika constituency yetu ya West Mugirango.
No impatient tinje tikotura mutago nkonyera ban ntegete kwakira my classmate Dr. James Mwangi nga incha akorete number 1 asogwanze program yogo support esukuru through infrastructure and chitangi chiamache buchimotwe inche ontegete kwashua abantu baito ba West Mugirango nga constituency akanaga kesana chibestoko egunchito isaine kere school onetana kobolinga ngaina nzira mbundo gosenga kere school and take my word ogo ika 2027 yonyorenga na mauru mumogo chikwa kere kura bute akizende kora nyorenga igogo ake kura ze anga state house ngibono
Bia mono sana tokorwa sense mogose county eyo ya Nyamira goikira ime county ya Kisii niko bono abaibuli banyare ko bagoseme banyare ko basabira abana babo anene bali bagene ko bakuyarigania ase amatemu amanene yara chake ewiki yego cha gukwana korwa ase skuru ya Wisdom Academy na boigo junior secondary omo director we skuru ya Irini Momanyi niko boigo banyare ko bakwenekeria abaibuli be skuru ebuna aborokia ase skuru banyare ko bakwarigania abana abo anene bali bekera ase kia gatano na gatatu chinga kibagende tokogarigania ase ogoisaransira amatemu abo
nagokire ase ritukoria rero ase nginjo ya bana baitu bali ku graduate ba PP2 and grade 3 nigo twagokire bune school ase nginjo omone natugwireire abana baiga ritukoria bere ligia gocha sibali boigo buna baibuli be school ya wisdom na bakere ngambi mono ande mbi mono nene aseng'enje mwatika chigasieno okora cherituko mwacha kora buna abana baino baguskochi ebirasi bindi nabo igo buna community ya Ogembo ase bali bachakorera omoyigo yiga naino mbi mono asogocha nabo igo tigamugende gusenwa kirengaki boigo ntobwata amasabo y'abana ba class ya Isato n'aba grade 6 ase wiki egocha ase rituko lya Amisi mwensi mwaliganirwe abana baitu ba class 8 onko basabira Amayia nabuna mwatebanga amaxi no moraikie ni gari miine haina arukira abaganiri
tokosuka mutwe omurai bwense Daktari William Ruto nigo bono anyareko bagakobeka SAG bili inye chiecho chirengete anene gosira obokoreri bwobochenu ko bali chiko gakwana litkolya lero nigo Ruto boiganyareko bakwenekeria bakenya buna serikali ya Kenya Kwanza yonyareko bagikuya ebitambukiro agosira obokoreri bwobochenu anene kurwense ya Kenya nyarete ko bagekonyora oborai boigo rumoroberio oyo bogoikerania amagani ayo bochenu nigoranyara ko bogochakiwa lituko lyangyo ekerense ya Kenya chikobe gochengera lituko lya Mashujaa Day.
Since independence, significant efforts have been made, but we have never quite gotten where we've always wanted. But that is changing today. We have reached a pivotal moment in our quest to reshape our healthcare delivery system. Today, 4 crucial bills for the implementation of universal healthcare have become law. These laws, together with various policies, strategies, and regulations that will be subsequently implemented, including the community health policy and primary health care and health financing strategies, will lay the firm foundation for the biggest change in our healthcare system ever witnessed. In the Kenya Kwanza Manifesto, we committed to achieving universal health coverage using various instruments. Number 1, we say there must be a fully financed primary healthcare mechanism comprising preventive, promotive, curative, palliative, and rehabilitative services. We also undertook that there will be integration of ICT.
Okwana ase omega oyoboigo bwokobeka chibiri chikoba lichiko mokonyi bomurai bwense rigadigashawa nigo agokere getambukiro kyaye omurai bwense naboigo ekomotogianga serikali igoseise ya serikali yaye nechikoba kweneke buno bokoreri ase sekta yobochenu banyare koba bogoikirana naboigo ligatebenga abisi yaye enyene nechikoba kwenekia buna lichikiria nyare koba ligoikiranigwa kubwaterana amo nabo bisa ase wizara eyo yobochenu igatigashawa boigo niganyara kobaga gwakere bunge enenenga mbiamono asogwetia emeswada elierenge tobokoreri byase sekta eliyobochenu.
We continue to applaud the 2 houses of parliament for the support they are giving to your administration's legislative agenda. Your Excellency, what now you are said means is that we who work under you have everything to do to implement these laws in turning around the healthcare architecture for the benefit of the people of Kenya. But I would like also to take this opportunity to say, much as Parliament has worked very hard, the CS of Health and her team have worked very hard, Your Excellency, your personal leadership in this matter has been very momentous. For the last 1 year, you have chaired countless meetings that gave birth to these bills that you have today ascended into law. You have been very keen and categorical that a healthy nation gives way to a prosperous nation. So the journey that we have started today with the ascending of the bills will turn around the healthcare architecture for the benefit of the people of Kenya. And Your Excellency, I want to confirm that I have been around the country.
Chinga ki ense ya Kenya gereza kobe kwiharigania guchengera rituko ria Mashujaa Day rituko ria ngio bono nigo abarai be Chinsa abagendete koba bakwariganirwa rinde banyare koba baguchengera rituko rio amonense ya Kenya bono gati abarai abanyare koba gwikirana imeyense ya Kenya no murai bwense ya Angola Joao Lorenzo no murugi oye Anas Dayase abanyare koba bagwikirana imense ya Kenya chinga ki agwo muchakano banyara koba bakwariganiwa nere omu cabinet prime minister Musele Mudavadi ase egeti ya JKIA. Chinga ki echechio aguritangani nigo omo prime cabinet secretary gose minister bwense ya Kenya Musele Mudavadi anyara koba komwarigania omo waziri bwa mangane Chinsa cheisiko bwa Ngora Teta Antonio ase banyara koba bako beka bene chingwana echokoneke buna banyare Chinsa chibire cyanyarire koba chigosira naga ukwana kurwase abisiyae nigo Mudavadi atebire nga Chinsa chibire nigo cyanyarire koba chigo twaro bwa mate obuya nabigo nchigendere koba chigo konya na anene
Distinguished delegates, Africa's prosperity is hinged on the individual efforts of our countries. Kenya and Angola, through this JCC, have taken bold steps. It is through such efforts that we shall be able to grow. That it is important that through these efforts, we find our own local solutions that can help us overcome our own challenges for the mutual benefit. I would therefore take this opportunity to urge all the respective ministries to work collaboratively so that we fast track and implement. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish to reaffirm Kenya's commitment to enhancing the bilateral.
Nere omwaziri oyo mangano be Chinsa chaisiko bwa Angola Antonio niganyara koba kokera okwarigana nyara koba kwariganirwa imense ya Kenya na kulie chira buna Chinsa echibere nchichi koba chikwendeke cyanyara koba chikobwaterana ase Chinsa mo ile kwendeke buna anene Chinsa cyo cyanyara koba chigosirana ase sector yobonchoreria.
Inauguration of the Joint Bilateral Commission, we open a new page in relations between our countries. It is an opportunity for us to strengthen the General Cooperation Agreement signed on the 15th of January 2014 in Luanda, and this will allow us to continue and sign other legal instruments in several sectors. This is an extremely important moment given the state visit that Excellency João Manuel Gonçalves Lourenço will pay to Kenya, invited by his brother, President of Kenya, William Ruto. I would like to reiterate the opportunities and potential of mutual cooperation between our countries, namely in the political and diplomatic areas, as well as capacity building and all the legal instruments which we have signed. So we would like to account for our technical teams for the implementations of the MOUs that were signed today and implement mechanisms in which they can continue to cooperate given the opportunity for oversight and supervision of the illegal.
Togoika ime orogongoru wako street kulia lero nigo abarai be Chinsa mo chonzi cha kisiasa koruase orogongoru wako banyara koboka umerana ime yomochi o Nairobi asekerenga igiokorotota engana anene yogokora airport ya Mombasa nyare kobage gutenenerwa amonechi company bene bakorawa omonongeri bwa ebunge ye Senator Mason Kingi nigo bate ngamba chikoba kwene kianga baligirie omurai bwense William Ruto rinde banyara ko bakorotota engane yo kolengana bara batebringe airport ya Mombasa diganyale ko bagego konya abamenyi abangemense meyo.
Hawa ndio viongozi ambao wamekuja kuweka vichwa vyao pamoja hivi leo kujadili masala ya pwani, hususan masala ya kimaendeleo. Na baada ya mazungumzo ambayo tumekuwa nao ya kina, kuna maafikiano ambayo yajadili resolutions.
Tumesema kwamba tutaweka agenda ambayo inamgusa mpwani yoyote kimaendeleo na matarajio yetu na mahitaji yetu katika serikali ya Ruto sahi, President William Ruto, we have a structured engagement with him on how we can develop the coastal region.
Abange bagoteba buna omunyangongo ose eshuja korengana na history ya Kenya bali bairete libagalina na kwene kebuna banyala kwa baba kurwanira obosibole imense ya Kenya. Abange banyala kwa bagusiria obogima bwabo asega koreki kurwanira obosibole nabo igabande mparoro bale moyo kulende maragoba yabono eshuja ose omunyangongo uchia ase ole amona inche nolikero kende oirire egetambukiro gyo kwene kiabuna unyarire kwa baga gusira chinsemo korwa sobolemi kurwase sector yobo chenu yobo gendia kero kende abo nabo tokonyara kwa batoko chengera nande tobaganiria litukoligia lia banyangongo konya begeta sendikia Ndizi TV happy Mashujaa Day yule nyara kwa baga kwene kia buna Amayia gochire gwetera somo nwe manyaririga kuro kwa Joshua Auta Petra Mukira nero nyara kwa baga kwene kia buna chibi chamuleli ugicha gochire asenchire boikiranire ne kuro kwa Josephat Amisi nako ganeire obotuko obia na boigo litukoligia lia banyangongo awo ankyo.